iPhone 14 Pro Max, designed by Apple in California, assembled by China. China is involved in everything, but it's okay. Let's to open this. As you can see, I have my phone in the hands, so it will be really difficult to open, but we are fighting, and we will open. Yeah, we are closer and closer, we are more closer, and I saw that finally we did it. So we have to open the second part, and let's to continue. We will open soon. Yeah, this we are fighting. Okay, the second one was easier. So now how I will open this? Okay, I saw that if I will turn, this will be really easy. Oh yeah, it's easier like this. So let's to take here up, and gold. This was the iPhone, the color of the iPhone that they have in this storage, 512 gigabytes. So I take what they have. For me, this is no problem. As you can see at the beginning, you can see that the camera is super amazing, because they were telling that this camera will be 48 megapixels, so have to be really big, the camera. So now we will wait again to see how heavy is now without the box, because we were measuring also the charger. So as you can see now, it's heavy. This phone is really heavy. It's totally different